welcome everyone. So today we are at the day 3 of Engimac happening at Helipad Exhibition Center, Gandhinagar, where many machine tool builders have been able to see their stalls, their machines, but the machine which has attracted a lot of customers, a true 5-axis machine, has been this UMC 500. And I'm having with us Mr. Joe. He has traveled a long way from US. Sir, if you have to get us through a more detailed information about this UMC 500 model, how it is creating a buzz around, so please get us through it.
So the UMC 500, the benefits to this is that you can do 5-side machining for 3+2 on this machine, or you can do a full 5-axis part. And what that does is it eliminates the possibility of loading improperly, and also that part will come out finished on 5 sides rather than one operation and you have to reload it and do another operation. So it's very good as far as cutting down time. So you can see in this, they have a vise and they can machine all different sides of that part. Same way with some parts that aren't real complicated, you can get to all those different sides on other sides of those things, after they're deburred. So that way, this machine really will help you out with that and eliminate those costly errors by loading improperly, or the fact that you don't have to make very complicated and expensive fixtures as well.
If you can let us know more about, in India, it is going to, of course, make people are talking about it and want to know more about it and explore this machine. They can't wait to have this machine at their shop floor, since we have interacted with a lot more customers who have already placed the order with Phillipsmachinetools for UMC 500. But how it is working at a global platform, this UMC 500, if you can get it more.
We've had this exact machine and some other sizes of the same equipment for quite a few years in the US. A lot of our medical customers will use it. And then, so it started out there, but we also have a lot of our customers that just want to stop flipping parts, and they're learning that this machine is very beneficial for that. A lot of them start out thinking that they don't need it until they get it. Once they get it, they think, I should have gotten this machine 5 years ago. And we've been trying to tell them that for 5 years, that they should have this machine. They learn that after they get it, and then they start seeing all the other parts that they can put on this machine. So it really benefits them, and then they can see the benefit once they have it. If we can get them to understand the benefit now, they can get it now and not wait another 5 years to get that.
Lastly, I would like to understand, Haas machine is something what people are always talking about. When they step up with Haas, there's no going back. So why is that? What is that one USB of Haas machines that you would like to elaborate on?
So one of the things is the Haas control. So it's really easy to control the machine. The operators like it. It's very intuitive. You can go up to that machine and it'll tell you everything you can do from that page. In the US, we do training. We'll take somebody who's never run a machine before and have them going through that control in less than a day. And they feel very comfortable on that machine. That's one of the big benefits. Whether it's a lathe or a mill, same control.
Thank you, Mr. Joe, for spending your time with us.
Sure.
Thank you for getting us this information. Thank you.